What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how I did connect this pickup from ESU right here. We're selling them. I'm still working on the website, so bear with me please. Yeah, that ESU pickup to the Roco passenger car with two axles. The car is like this, though that's just different car. This specific railroad is PKP Polish, but they're all the same. So I have a video about Flashman installation. The Flashman is like piece of cake. This took me a couple of months just to figure out. So I open and I have no idea. Finally I got it. So I like that construction. I don't want to say better, but see these guys like flexible. Old days Roco, I believe, selling, I got it from 2000, like small piece of metal here, like small spring, I should say, like brass or something like that. So both axles, but it's only one wheel here, one wheel here. It needs to be like perfectly clean, very like nice layout, you know, and it still will be flickering. You're not running it for a couple of days. So that's the old spring, good idea, but no go right now. Even with theoretically can use it with the ESU bar with capacitor, but still I like this better. So in next video soon I will show you what I did exactly. It's just like example how it's working. So it's under in this construction right there. Two pickups, no problem. And I'm pretty much done right now. Just show you this. If it's also PKP, different car, longer car, okay, like that. And pickup here already built in. Just need to figure out how to connect the wires. Maybe wires already there, but the wheels, actually axles, points, there are two metal pieces on both sides, both trucks, right? So that should be just figure out how to connect wires. And the same thing, installation, I'll make a video about it as well. But this is wow. So if Roco decided to use my idea, welcome. Again, Flashman different, Roco is much complicated. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting business. Bear with me, I'm doing my best guys. Installation, try to do like 2 per day. And if you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Thank you and have a good one. Bye bye.